Hey guys, it's Dan back here for another video, and we're still plugging away at weapons. Right now, I'm looking at ammo, and I can see here that the revolver has 6 round capacity, the submachine gun 20, and the sword 0. It obviously doesn't need ammunition. So what I think we need to do is when somebody fires the revolver, it should decrement the ammo count by 1. Alright, so let's have a look at how we might go about doing that. The very first thing that we're going to do is go into our item weapon, and we need to basically indicate that this weapon uses ammo. Actually, something else I was thinking about while I was here was I wanted to see what this looks like with field light instead. We might just do that for a couple of these and just see if we get if it's any easier to read. We've also got one here that's here we go. This is a cycler. Let's see what they look like. But anyway, what I wanted to do was take a checkbox and put it next to ammo here, and basically I'm going to call this one uses ammo, and we need to move this up the list. It's unlocked. Needs to go just before ammo. That'll affect our tab order. And I guess we also need to do is in item, we need to, in our lock code, we want to do this one as well. We want to set this up so it locks user's ammo field. Alright, so that's the very first thing that we need to do. And I guess where are we? Item weapon. What's the default? Is unchecked false, that's fine. Alright, let's push that. Now let's go to weapon detail, and this is going to check it on the attack field. Are you moving? No, you're not. Okay, so on the attack field, on our before dice roll, node weapon, node car, they're good. Base hit, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. Alright, we can add some extra codes in here at the end of this. Some extra codes. Alright, very good. Alright, so what we're going to do is we need the weapon name. We don't have that, I don't think, and we need the character name. So we can copy these from the last one that we just did. Just copy these and put them over here. We also want to do the chat stuff, so let's go back here and we'll grab the chat code. We're going to set up a message. We're going to go through and do the icon stuff. Put it down here. Reuse code as much as possible. Alright, then what we're going to do is I'm going to do an if else statement. So if node weapon get child ammo is equal to 0 and uses ammo get value is equal to 1, then what are we going to do? First, we're going to do message text spelled correctly equals message text spelled correctly. let's put the name in this. Name dot. You have run out of ammo for your okay, that should be the message. And we also want to set the dice roll string equals D0, and then no dice will roll. Is that enough? And I guess we have to clear the modifier stack too. And to do that, what do we do? Sorry. And dice roll string D0, and then we want to do modifier stack dot reset. Okay, that should clear it, because up here we're adding a bunch of things to the modifier stack, and I guess at that point we want to return true. And else, if, we'll do all of that, because it's not going to be for all other situations, else if node weapon.getChild ammo.getValue is greater than 0, and node weapon.getChild uses ammo is equal to 1, then we don't need to send a message. Easy. We don't need to manipulate the dice roll string. We don't need to do anything to the modifier stack. What we do need to do is decrement the ammo value. So that's pretty easy. Node weapon getChild ammo dot set value, and it's equal to get value minus 1. Alright. We don't want to return true there. What we do want to do is end the if else and let the rest of the script run. Oh, and we also need to do a com_deliver chat message. This is the only area that we've got a chat message. So really, this whole message that we've created up here should only be in this context. And we want to deliver it in that same context. com.deliver chat message. It's just called message. I think that's it. Okay, let's give that a whirl. See how many errors we've made in our coding. Fingers crossed. Take a deep breath. Alright, so revolver. Eek. Line 48 in field attack, index a nil value. So it's either in 48 or 47. Node weapon getChild ammo set value is equal to blah 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 minus 1. Alright, time to put some debug in here. Let's debug this. Aha, okay. There might not be any errors in our code. What might actually be happening here is that these entries don't actually have a value for ammo in here, because this record was created before that field existed. So, uses ammo. Uses ammo. Alright, we might not even have to change the code. Let's just try this again. Huzzah! And our ammo is down to 5. Okay, so we've expended all of our ammo. We double click it again, and Christoph, you've run out of ammo for your revolver. And I didn't want it to do that. We want it to terminate at the end of that. But it's also uncovered another issue. I wonder, firstly, if we return false here. Wonder if that will be enough to stop it actually rolling. Let's give ourselves it's just read-only field. Interesting. Okay, excellent. Or maybe not. Let's drag another revolver in here. Ammo is down to 6. Let's unlock our weapon. Give ourselves 2 pieces of ammo. Go back here. It's got some ammo. So what we really need here is a way to track our max ammo as well. So anyway, let's fire a couple of shots. Off. And return false works exactly as intended. That's awesome. But what we need to do now is work out how to do our max, record our max ammo, and how we're going to reload our weapon once we've run out of ammo. Alright, let's wrap this video and we'll talk about that one next.